What if I told you that you don't need to spend hours at the gym or lift ridiculously heavy weights to become unbelievably strong? What if the secret to insane strength isn't just in the exercises you do, but how you do them? Strength isn't just about brute force, it's about resilience, control, and power. It's the ability to harness every muscle in your body and make it work like a well-oiled machine. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the ultimate exercises that will unlock your body's hidden strength potential. These aren't just workouts, they're game changers. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that could double your progress in half the time. Get ready to get crazy strong. But before we dive into these transformational exercises, let me ask you this: have you ever felt stuck in your fitness journey? Maybe you're lifting weights, doing cardio, but not seeing the gains you want. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people hit a plateau because they focus on the wrong kinds of movements. That's about to change. The foundation of strength. Let's start with a key principle: strength comes from compound movements. These are exercises that recruit multiple muscle groups, forcing your body to work as a unit. Think about, does life ever require you to use just one muscle? Whether you're lifting a heavy box, climbing stairs, or even standing up, your body is designed to work together. One of the most powerful exercises that embodies this principle is the deadlift. Wait, don't click away. Even if you've never tried a deadlift before, this is the king of all strength building movements. Why? Because it activates nearly every major muscle group in your body. When you perform a deadlift correctly, you're training your legs, glutes, back, core, and even your grip strength. It's like a full body workout packed into a single move. Now here's the hook: if you're a beginner, you don't need to lift a heavy barbell to start. Even a pair of dumbbells or a resistance band can help you build the foundation of strength. But here's the twist: how you perform the deadlift is more important than how much you lift. Slow, controlled movements with perfect form will build strength faster than rushing through heavy reps. Strength starts in the mind. Here's a question for you: what's the one thing most people overlook when it comes to strength training? It's not the weights, it's not the reps, it's the mind-muscle connection. Research shows that when you consciously focus on the muscles you're using, you activate more muscle fibers. That's right, your brain can literally make you stronger. So next time you're doing an exercise, whether it's a squat, push-up, or pull-up, don't just go through the motions. Visualize the muscle working. Feel it contract. This simple trick can take your strength to a whole new level. The push-up revolution. Let's talk about an exercise you've probably done 1,000 times, the push-up. But here's the thing: most people don't realize just how powerful this simple movement can be. When done correctly, push-ups aren't just a chest exercise, they're a full body workout. Here's how to level up your push-ups: instead of cranking out as many as you can, focus on quality over quantity. Lower yourself slowly, hold at the bottom for a second, and then push back up explosively. This technique, known as tempo training, builds strength faster because it increases the time your muscles are under tension. But we're not stopping there. Want to take it to the next level? Try archer push-ups. In this variation, one arm does most of the work while the other provides support, forcing your chest, shoulders, and triceps to work overtime. It's tough, but the results are insane. Why you're wasting time on machines? Here's something the fitness industry doesn't want you to know: those fancy machines at the gym? They're not your best friends. Machines isolate specific muscles, which is great for bodybuilding, but not for building real-world strength. If you want to get crazy strong, you need to train your body to move in natural, functional ways. Take the pull-up, for example. It's one of the purest tests of upper body strength because it requires you to lift your entire body weight. And here's the beauty of pull-ups: there are endless variations to keep challenging your muscles. Start with an assisted pull-up if you're a beginner, then progress to wide grip pull-ups, chin-ups, or even explosive pull-ups where you clap at the top. The underrated power of squats. Now let's talk about the lower body. If you want to build insane strength, squats are non-negotiable. But I'm not just talking about regular squats. To truly unlock your potential, you need to incorporate variations like Bulgarian split squats and pistol squats. Why are these so effective? Because they challenge your balance and stability, forcing your core and smaller stabilizing muscles to engage. This not only makes you stronger but also reduces your risk of injury. Here's a pro tip: when doing squats, focus on driving through your heels and keeping your core tight. This simple adjustment can help you lift heavier and prevent strain on your lower back. Hook point: strength isn't just physical. Let's pause for a second. You might be wondering, why does strength even matter? It's not just about looking good or lifting heavy weights. Strength impacts every aspect of your life. It improves your posture, protects your joints, and boosts your confidence. And the best part? The stronger you get, the more resilient you become, not just physically, but mentally. So when you're struggling through those last few reps, remember this. Every ounce of effort you put in is making you a stronger, more capable version of yourself. Core training for total body strength. No strength building routine is complete without training your core. And no, I'm not talking about endless crunches. To build a rock-solid core, you need to focus on exercises that challenge your stability, like plank variations and hanging leg raises. One of the best core exercises you can do is the ab wheel rollout. It might look simple, but don't be fooled, this exercise is a beast. It engages not just your abs, but also your lower back, shoulders, and even your hips. The power of progression. Here's a crucial lesson: strength isn't built overnight. It's a journey. And the key to getting stronger is progression. If you're lifting the same weight or doing the same number of reps every week, you're not giving your muscles a reason to grow. That's why it's important to constantly challenge yourself. Add a little more weight. Do one more rep, try a harder variation of an exercise. These small changes might not seem like much, but over time, they add up to massive results. As we wrap up, remember this: getting crazy strong isn't just about the exercises you do. It's about consistency, effort, and a willingness to push yourself outside your comfort zone. Whether you're deadlifting, squatting, or mastering the perfect push-up, every rep is a step closer to unlocking your full potential. And here's the bonus tip I promised: nutrition. Strength training breaks down your muscles, but it's what you eat that rebuilds them. Prioritize protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to fuel your body and maximize your results. The journey to strength isn't easy, but it's worth it. And the best part? Every ounce of effort you put in not only makes you stronger, it makes you unstoppable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you reach your fitness goals. Let's get crazy strong together.